Welcome to the range at Austin, one of the largest indoor shooting ranges in the US. Every weekend, they clean up around 400 pounds of spent brass. We visited on Monday morning to see their extensive cleaning process. The 3 motors 110-volt system is the most powerful 110-volt on the market with 336 CFM. It offers precise airflow control, durable all-metal construction, and a fully enclosed motor for safety and protection. And now let's introduce our 2-stage filtration system. Stage 1 is an M-class filter, meaning 1 micron efficiency. Stage 2 is a HEPA H14 with 99.995% efficiency at 0.18 micron. Featuring an anti-static 14-pocket filter with high surface star geometry, ensuring peak suction even under heavy debris. An integrated angled deflector decelerates incoming dust and debris, forcing material to settle at the bottom of the bin. Material collects in an easy, detachable, wet and dry bin on industrial-grade casters with 26-gallon capacity. The Depureco M100 and our full line of range products are available to ship in 24 hours right here from the heart of Texas. Go on www.depurecousa.com/shooting ranges to discover this and all of our other range products. Come and take it.